This starts as liquid, and in about 20 minutes, it becomes this. A gummy bear you can stretch, bite, and bounce.
This factory makes millions of these a day, and the process is stranger than you think. It starts with gelatin, sugar, and a thick corn syrup base.
Gummy bears aren't new. They were first made back in 1922 by a German candy maker named Hans Riegel.
He started the company in his kitchen with a single copper kettle and a bag of sugar. His original candy wasn't even bear-shaped. It was a dancing bear on a leash, inspired by street performers. A century later, that small kitchen recipe has become one of the biggest candy categories in the world.
With factories now shipping gummy candy to nearly every country on Earth.
It starts with just a few ingredients: sugar, glucose syrup, and gelatin.
Gelatin is what gives gummy candy its stretch and chew. This is a real gummy bear factory, and every step is more precise than you'd expect. Every batch follows an exact recipe, down to the gram.
Sugar, glucose syrup, and water are combined in massive heated tanks.
A precise boiling temperature. Gelatin is added and dissolved at around 115 degrees.
Just hot enough to activate it without breaking it down. The mixture is stirred continuously to keep it perfectly smooth. This single batch will become thousands of individual gummy bears. Right now, it still looks nothing like candy.
Citric acid is added next, giving gummy candy its sour edge.
But every ingredient so far is unflavored and colorless. Before any candy is poured, the shape has to be prepared first.
Trays are filled with a fine layer of powdered cornstarch.
This starch will actually shape every gummy bear. A stamp covered in hundreds of tiny bear shapes presses down into the starch, leaving behind hundreds of perfect bear-shaped cavities. Because the mold is open on top, only the front of the bear takes detailed shape. Which is why every gummy bear has a flat, plain back.
Thousands of these cavities are prepared every single hour.
A machine called a depositor pumps the hot candy mixture through precision nozzles, filling each bear-shaped cavity with almost perfect accuracy. The mixture is deposited at around 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. Each cavity receives almost the exact same amount, down to a fraction of a gram. Every tray gets deposited, stacked, and moved along in seconds. And right now, the starch is already starting to do its job. Here's something most people don't know. The starch isn't just a mold. It also pulls moisture out of the candy as it sets.
The filled trays are moved into a conditioning room.
Held at a precise temperature and humidity for a full day or two.
During this time, moisture slowly moves from the candy into the starch around it.
And the gelatin inside fully sets into its final chewy structure. And the gelatin inside fully sets into its final chewy structure.
Nothing happens quickly here. Patience is part of the recipe. By the end of this stage, every bear has fully taken shape. Once set, the trays are flipped upside down over what's called a starch buck, releasing the candy and the starch together in one motion. A vibrating screen separates the candy from the loose starch,
letting the starch fall through while the bears stay on top.
That starch isn't wasted, it gets collected and reused for the next batch. Fast rotating air jets blow away any remaining starch dust,
revealing the glossy shape underneath for the first time.
The bears move into a large rotating polishing drum. And now, for the first time, it actually looks like candy.
A thin wax coating is applied as the drum slowly turns.
This is what gives gummy bears their signature shine. And stops them from sticking together in the bag.
The whole polishing process takes around 15 to 30 minutes.
And this is the final texture you actually recognize. And this is the final texture you actually recognize. Before packaging, samples are pulled and tested. Checking moisture levels to make sure the texture is exactly right. Too much moisture and it falls apart, too little and it turns hard. An automated scanner checks every single piece for shape and color. Anything that doesn't meet standard is removed automatically. Every single batch is compared against the last to keep it consistent. Approved candy moves straight into packaging. Each bag is filled with an exact, weighed portion.
Sealed airtight to lock in freshness.
It's packed into boxes ready for shipping. Thousands of bags move through this line every single hour. And loaded onto pallets for delivery around the world. From a single tank of syrup, this factory produces enough candy to fill an entire warehouse in a day. And it all started as an unflavored, colorless liquid.
One more thing most people don't realize, the flat back and detailed front of every gummy bear is a direct result of the mold only being open on one side.
What starts as sugar, syrup, and gelatin becomes a finished, packaged candy in about 2 days. Molded by starch, shaped by precision machines, and finished with a process most people never think about.
You're holding the end result of one of the most precise processes in the entire food industry.
Every time you open a bag,